All right, so just a really quick tutorial on where to find your parts for this piece, and all the pieces actually. Come over here to the file folder, just click on that, and that'll take you to this page here. And you're going to see on the left column here a couple different things. Go to large group sheet music and click on that. And then that's going to show you all the different instruments. So let's say you play clarinet 1, you want to click on that to get your part, and it'll come and pop up here. It might take just a second. There you go. It's got all the parts and even some extra music. So we're doing Famicius later on, but you want to scroll down to find your part for March of the Belgian Paratroopers. There it is. So of course you can print that. You can come up here and download it and then print it from there. Or just look at it on the screen either way, whichever works. Okay. So I'm going to close that up over here. That's how you find your part. I hope that's helpful.